Hello everyone, my name is Sarvapalli Ramprasad. Today we are going to discuss the LeetCode Daily challenge problem, which is ugly number 2. Let me just quickly go through the question, guys. An ugly number is a positive integer whose prime factors are limited to 2, 3, and 5. Given an integer n, return the nth ugly number. Let's just look at this example, guys. Here given us n equal to 10. So output equal to 12. That is the 10th ugly number is like 12. Okay, let me just quickly go through the blackboard. Let's look at this example, guys. Here, input given as n equal to 10 and output is 12. How? How output is 12? Let's look at this explanation part. Here, the first 10 ugly numbers are like this. So, our 10th ugly number is 12. So, okay, I'm just picking one number from all these numbers, integers, and I will explain that how this number is an ugly number. Just I'm picking 6 from here. Okay, I'm picking 6. Okay, why 6 is an ugly number? Okay, uh, the prime factors of 6 are like 2 into 3 equal to 6. So in our question they have mentioned that the prime factors are limited to 2, 3, and 5. Okay, now we are getting 6 by with multiplying 2 with 3. Okay, let me just take 7 as our another example. Let me just try to get an ugly number. I try to multiply with 2, I'm getting 4. With 3, I'm getting 6. Or like 3 into 2, I'm getting 6. Or 2 into 5, I'm getting 10. So in any way we are not getting 7. So I can say that 7 is not an ugly number. So in our list, just look at in our list, 7 is not mentioned here. So I can say that an ugly number is a positive integer whose prime factors are like 2, 3, and 5. Okay, till here we understand that what is an ugly number. Okay, now let's how to find the nth ugly number. Here our main objective is like to find the nth ugly number. Okay, okay, just look at our example, guys. Here, our first ugly number is like 1. Okay, here 1. 1. Why is 1 is a ugly number? Okay, here the prime factors are like 2, 3, and 5. But 1 cannot be divided by 2, 3, and 5. But we are considering it as a ugly number. Why? Because it's a fundamental unit in multiplication. It's a special case here. Okay, by using this one, we are generating our next ugly numbers. Okay, right. I'm just how I'm going to generate our next ugly number. Okay, by using this one, I'm multiplying this one with 2, 3, and 5. Okay, then I'll get 2, 3, and 5. Okay, next I'll pick the smallest number from this. Okay, I'm picking this 2, and I'm multiplying this 2 with this 2, 3, and 5. I'm getting next ugly numbers like we're getting with 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6, and 2 fives are 10. Now I will pick the smallest of these numbers like 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10. The smallest is 6. Now I will generate our next ugly numbers like 3 twos are 6. I just multiply with 2, 3, and 5 and generate our next ugly numbers like 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9, and 3 fives are 15. And next I will choose the smallest number from all this and generate our next numbers. Okay, now look at this. Here we generating 6, that is 2 threes are 6, and we are also generating 6, 3 twos are 6. So these two are like same, so we are generating duplicates. So to manage these duplicates we are using hash set in our coding part. Okay, and how to find our nth ugly number? Okay, here I'm going to use priority queue data structure to find our nth ugly number. T queue. Okay, now let's I just explain you how to approach this question by using priority queue. Okay, this is our priority queue, guys. Now I'm writing the steps to find our nth ugly number. Okay, first step, I'm going to add 1 to our PQ. Okay, 1 to PQ. Now I remove 1 and generate our next ugly numbers. Okay, how I'm going to generate our next ugly numbers? By multiplying 1 with 1 with 2, 3 and 5, and I will add these 2, 3 and 5 to our priority queue. Okay, and then I will choose the smallest from these 2, 3 and 5. Okay, 2 is our smallest, and now also I will multiply these 2 with 2, 3 and 5. Okay, now when I multiply 2 with 2, 3 and 5, I'm getting our next new ugly numbers. Okay, next new ugly numbers. Okay, if in case, if in case I encounter duplicates like 2 into 3 and 3 into 2, that equal to 6 and this equal to 6, I manage this with hash set. Okay, let's look at this priority queue. Initially I'm going to add 1. This is at pick. Now I'm going to remove this one. Okay, I'm going to remove this one. Okay, I'm removing this one, and now I'm getting our next ugly numbers, like I'm multiplying 1 with 2 and 3 and 5. So I'm getting 2, 3 and 5. Now I'm going to add these 2, 3 and 5 to our priority queue. Okay, 2, 3 and 5. Okay, now look at these numbers. So the smallest in this is like 2. So I'm going to put this at top. Okay, now I will remove this 2. Okay, I'm removing these 2, and I'm going to generate our next numbers. So next ugly numbers, that is 2 into 2 equal to 4, into 3 equal to 6, into 5 equal to 10. So I'm going to add these three numbers to our priority queue. Okay, 4, 6 and 10. And now the smallest of all these numbers is like 3. Okay, I'm going to put this 3 on top now. Okay, 3 is on top. Now I will remove this 3. Okay, I will remove this 3. Okay, I have removed this 3, and I'm going to generate our next ugly numbers, like 3 into 2, that equal to 6, 3 into 3, that equal to 9, into 5, that equal to 15. Okay, now let's look at these outputs, like results. Here 6 is already in our priority queue, so I'm not going to add this 6 to our priority queue. And look at 9, so there is no 9 in our pq. And 15, okay, I'm going to add 15 in our pq. Now now let's the smallest of all these numbers is 4, so I'm going to put 4 on top, and I'm removing it. And now also I'm removing this 4 from here and writing it here. So I'm generating our next numbers are like 4 into 2 equal to 8, 4 into 3 equal to 12, and into 5 equal to 4 5 are 20. Okay, I'm going to add these numbers to our next new ugly numbers to our priority queue. Okay, let's check. 8 is in our priority. No. 12. No. 20. No. So I'm going to add these three numbers to our priority queue. Okay, 8, 12, 10. Okay, till here, look at all this. This is our first ugly number. This is our second ugly number, that is 2. And 3 is our third ugly number. And 4 is our fourth ugly number. Okay, till here we got four ugly numbers. Okay, now I'm just removing all this stuff here. Okay, let's I will generate our next ugly numbers. So the motto here is to getting our 10th ugly number. Okay, okay, now here I'm going to remove our smallest number, that is 5. Okay, I'm removing it. Okay, I'll put it on top. From top I'm going to remove over here, and I'll generate our next ugly number. Okay, 5 into 2, that equal to 10, into 3 15, into 5 that equal to 5 5 is 25. So I'm going to check these three numbers in this. Okay, 10 already present, I'm not going to add. 15 already present, I'm not going to add. 25, there is no 25 in our PQ, so I'm going to add 25 to it. Okay, now which is the smallest in this? 6. 6 is the smallest. 6 goes on top now. Okay, I'm going to remove 6. So now I'm generating next number. 6 into 2 that equal to 12, and 6 into 3 that equal to 18, and into 5 that equal to 6 5 are 30. Now I'm going to check 12, 18, and 30. Okay, 12 already present. 18, no 18 in this, so I'm going to add 18. 30, there is no 30, so I'm going to add 30. Okay, uh, and our next smallest, what is our next smallest? Our next smallest is like 8. Okay, now 8 is on top now. Okay, and I'm removing 8 from there. Right, I'm generating our next ugly numbers. Okay, 8 into 2 that equal to 16, into 3 that equal to it is a 24, and into 5 that equal to 40. Okay, now I just check in our priority queue. There is 16 in it, no. 24 in it, no. 40 in it, no. So I'm going to add all these ugly numbers to our priority queue, that is 16, 24, and 40. Okay, now till here, this is our fifth ugly number, and this is our sixth ugly number, and this is our seventh ugly number. Okay, now I'm going to remove all this stuff from here. Okay, and I will generate our next ugly numbers, that is 8th, ninth, and 10th. And our motto is to generate our 10th ugly number. Okay, now from our queue, which is the next smallest, is our 9. So I'm removing 9, and it is on top now. And now I'm taking 9 here. Okay, I'm taking 9 here to generate our next numbers. Okay, and 2 that equal to 18, into 3 that equal to 27. Okay, into 5 that equal to 45. Now I will check in our priority queue. There is 18 in it, yes, so I'm not going to add it. There is 27 in it, no, there is no 27, so I will add it. And there is 45 in it, no, there is no 45, so I will add this 45 to it. So this is our eighth ugly number. Okay, now what is our next smallest number in our priority queue? Okay, by looking at this I can say that 10. 10 is our next smallest, so I'm going to put this 10 on top, and then removing this top, and I will generate our next ugly numbers. Okay, and 10 into 2 equal to 20, into 3 equal to 30, into 5 that equal to 50. Okay, now I just check in our queue. There is already 20. Okay, I'm not going to add 20. Oh, check 30. Okay, I already have 30, and 50. There's no 50, and I'm going to add 15. Okay, this is our ninth ugly number. Okay, 10 is our ninth ugly number. Now, what is our next smallest? Okay, 12. 12 is our next smallest. Okay, I'm going to put this on top. Okay, 12 is on top now, and I will remove this top element, and I will find our next ugly numbers. Okay, 12 into 3. Okay, first 2 that equal to 12 to is 24, into 3 that equal to 36, into 5 that equal to 60, I think. Okay, I'll check. 24 is there in this? Yes. Okay, I'm not going to add. 36, there's no 36, I'm going to add. And 60, there's no 60, I will add. Okay, till here, this is our 10th ugly number. Okay, I got my answer. So I just come out from our loop. So this is how we are going to find our nth ugly number actually. Okay, let me just go through our coding part, guys. Okay, here given int n. Okay, right, we have to return integer type. Now I'm just going to declare our priority queue here. Priority queue, I'm going to take long. Why? Because here we are going to generate large numbers. So we are here multiplying. So we have to take long here. Long. pq equal to new priority queue. Okay, now I'm going to take hash set to manage our duplicates here. Okay, hash set, this is also long type, set equal to new hash set. Set here. Okay, this is to maintain duplicates, sorry, to manage or to avoid. Now here the prime factors are like int prime facts of array equal to our 2 comma 3 comma and 5. These are all prime factors. Now I'm initializing our new our ugly number initially as 1 long. I'm taking long here, long data type, long ugly now equal to, initially I'm going to take it as 1 a long type. Now I have to iterate over the loop for n times. I equal to 1 semicolon a less than semicolon a plus plus. Okay. Now I'm going to remove, I just forget to add our initial number, that is 1 to our priority queue. PQ dot add 1. This is of long type to our priority queue initially. Now I just remove this number. Okay. Mm, ugly num equal to PQ dot remove. I have removed this one from our priority queue. Now I'm going to generate our next ugly numbers, like for int fact in fact numbers, sorry, prime facts. Yes, prime facts. I'm going to generate our next numbers, like long new ugly nums equal to ugly num into fact. Here I got a new ugly number. Now I will check if this new ugly number is present in our set or not. Okay, if not set dot contain this new ugly number, or we, I'm just going to add this to set and write it. Set dot add new ugly and pq dot add new ugly. Okay, I have done my job here, and I just return our pq dot pq p. But in our priority queue, the number is of type, or the type is of long, but we have to return here integer. So I have to convert it to integer now. Long here, initially it is long. Now I have to convert this to integer. And okay, now it was converted to integer. Okay, now let's just check our code here. Long ugly number here, pq dot add. I have added, I have removed, and I have generating new priority queue, sorry, new ugly numbers here. I have to set pq dot agree. Okay, let me just run this code here. Okay, there is an error. Okay, set here, set is a spelling mistake here. Now I'll run this code. Okay, the code was working fine, and I'll submit this code. Yes, the code was working fine, and here the runtime is like 48 milliseconds. Why? Because this question is solved by using db actually, But I have solved this by using priority queue here. So many of the students are not aware of DP. So I have solved this question in by using priority queue data structure here, PQ data structure here. Okay, this is all about this question, guys. If you like my approach and my code quality, please do subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you.